Alright, I got two Coach bags that we're going to be unboxing today, okay? I got the Eliza a White Eliza bag, and I also got a Penelope, a Black Penelope. Is this white? Or is this like the off-white? It's off-white. I don't think I really remember what it was gonna look like. I don't know, for some reason I think I thought it was going to be like white like this. But it's like kind of a little faded looking. If you guys haven't seen, finally, it's the bag. It's so simple. I do like to hold bags like this though, most of the time. So I do like this method of holding a bag. The only issue I have with this bag is it's open. It's wide open here. This part is just open and exposed. It has a little zipper in there on the inside. And that's the only secure place. You also have a part on this other side to put like your cards, your credit cards. There's two little parts to put like credit card for security, I guess. And I do like the magnetic clasp part here. And that's it. It's just a simple bag. I love simple stuff, you know? I love the simplicity of the bag. It's so easy. It's like, you know, I like it. I like it. And I've never had a white bag, so I like that. So let's open the other one and see. See what it looks like. It's another really simple bag. I really love it. It's so simple. I think I prefer this bag to this one. I do prefer this one. I like this more. It's like, it's more me. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so simple and so tiny. I really like it. I love the arms, the way it's tiny as well. I love this bag. It's so cute. I love how tiny it is. It's just like a really tiny ant bag. I love it. I think this is going to be my new bag that I take everywhere. Like my new going to the store, going shopping, anything, everything. It's just my new everywhere I go bag. This is it for me. I love it. I love it. And it's definitely me.